how to watch Netflix with friends using Teleparty. In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can watch Netflix with your friends using Teleparty. It's a simple browser extension that lets you stream together in real time. So what you'll need to do is launch your preferred browser and then type in Netflix Teleparty. Or you can also search for a Teleparty extension for Chrome. Go with Chrome Web Store link and you'll get this kind of interface. You just need something to go with Add to Chrome, which will be on the right side. Click on Add Extension. Once you've added this extension to your Chrome, now you need to go to the top right, which has that download section. As you can see that it has been added. Now you can just simply go and sign in. Go with your extensions, which will be in the top right, and then pin the extensions, which is Netflix Party. Click on it, and here you need to go and select Netflix. Sign up for Teleparty account using your email and password or by signing in with Google. After the setup is complete, click on the extension icon which will be on the top right of your browser and open Teleparty. Give access to the required permissions and select Netflix as the service that you want to use. You'll then be redirected to Netflix where you need to sign in with your account and choose the movie or the show that you would like to watch. When the Teleparty button appears, click on it and start or join a watch party. This will sync the video playback for everyone and open a sidebar. And that way, you and your friends can share real time interactions and comments while watching together. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.